Hold it, stranger.
New dance! It's an old dance, come back again. Run, go tell your friend. It's a brand new design. Watch the girl, them bubble and whine. And when them whine, make sure them no broke them waistline. Lord of mercy. Article. Man, you know what really drives me crazy? Man, you know what really drives me mad? To see the whiny, whiny girl, them just a roll them bottom. It makes a run, pump, pump, pump. Rude boys feel glad. Come for them in a man, just jiggle and a wiggle and a jiggle and a wiggle and move them body. Them just a whine and go down because them know them sexy. Said they no style, come on it a runway country. In Los Angeles, Miami, or a New York City. So me say, man, you know what really drives me crazy? Man, you know what really drives me mad? Is to watch the whiny, whiny girls roll them bottom. It makes a rump, pam, pam, pam. Rude boys feel glad. Watch me now, they put their shoulders in, they put their bumper out, they put them hands on them hip, and then them whine all about, and then them do the whiny, whiny, and I'll jump and I'll shout. And I miss it, that's what this all about. Come for them in a man, you just bounce like the dip and bounce and the dip and wind up your hip. You just hold on tight, baby, and get a good grip. Cause when they come to wine, then you know I'm fully equipped. And if you flip, you might flop, and if you flop, you might flip. So me say, girl, you got me whining now. You got me whining like I never before. Come for them in a 1 and 2, and yeah, you're really whining now. You're whining till your bottom it touch the floor. Whiny, whiny, to the beat, you're whiny, whiny. Come on, you're whiny, whiny. All the nice and decent fat body girl, whine out. Push it out, girl. Cause it's all good. And me say, man, you know what really drive me crazy? Man, you know what really makes me mad? Is to watch the whiny, whiny women roll them bottom. It make the rump, pump, pump, pump. Rude boy feel glad. Come for them in a man, they put their shoulders in, they put their bumper out, they put them hands on them hip, and then them